Thank you, sir.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the meeting with Mr. Morales, who is actually making 8 billion SAMS Tesla 53 PGC gold coin and 353 grams BTC gold bars, from all the gold which is available in the world today. So I will hand over the, platform to him, and he will be explaining to you how he plans to do it. Go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Mufadal. It's always a pleasure to join you and speak with you once again. And to your viewers, once again, thank you for giving me the time to explain our project and our humanitarian services across the world. We are in the process right now of sharing a very interesting formula with the world to try to balance the economy on the third world countries as a first world country economy. The formula that we have is a white gold formula. As you know, it's not in the market. We want to try to put it in different countries to try to stabilize governments. The refinery that needs to be created has to stay private, and the gentleman that has the formula is being very exclusive with who he's giving it to. He's chose to work with you, with the Tesla organization, and be able to use the refineries that you provide in your organization and try to see if we can start manufacturing white gold for different parts of the world that need it. We are in humanitarian projects already involved. I have a port already starting in the Caribbean in South America called Royal Port Barranquilla that we're also receiving funds off the global servers for. And we just got approved for a construction from Mexico to Argentina, over 38 countries involved in that investment as well. We work with organizations like Blackwater, World Bank, Pinnacle, Vanguard that helps us move forward with the humanitarian aid. So we want to see if we can get this white gold formula out there to them and be able to start manufacturing worldwide with the Tesla name behind it. I think the producer of the white gold told the doctor that he wanted to buy about 500,000 electrical cars to try to hurt the oil industry and be able to start, helping other countries start their own kind of provisions for economy. We also want to see if we can help Hawaii, Maui, with the fires that they had, and see if we can try to get some funds headed that way for either smart cities or try to get their technology up to date with the world, because as you know, they are very in much in need of help right now. So instead of just giving them humanitarian aid, we want to see if we can go ahead and start funding them completely to start their whole new world of living. So there are a lot of things that we can do together that I've shared with the doctor, and I look forward to starting one project to build more after that. So I'm willing to start whenever you are, doctor. And so are we.
We are ready to do it, and I think I would like to just add one point that all the funds, for all the projects of rebuilding, all the wildfire affected areas. Maui is in USA, and then we have, in all countries, this wildfire in Greece, in Canada, and basically in Australia. So, Dr. Paul Olivier has the technology to take care of this wildfire problem which we are facing, and all the funds which are available from United Nations and from US government and Canadian government for the wildfire affected areas we will be enhancing that fund, by 10%. I'm announcing that. And
That's very
then,
good.
basically, we will be, matching the fund. Whatever fund is available, we will be matching that fund to rebuild, these wildfire areas and make SAMS, AMU, Tesla Gigafactory campus towns, which will be the smartest Bitcoin city, which, we have developed.
That is fantastic. I look forward to starting everything with your group. We're ready, willing, and able. So just tell us where we have to do, and we'll start right away.
I think simply my model is, enroll 7 million engineers into global executive MBA in climate smart business with traction. And, with 8,000 multiplied by 7 million, the seed capital which will be available to you. And
yes,
besides the seed capital, the most important capital is the human asset, the wisdom and experience of these 7 million engineers, which will be actually building these facilities globally.
I think that is great. We can start with the refineries in Texas and start with the formula right away. We have the 20,000 kilos that we can start right away.
So I think with that 20,000 kilogram, we have already discussed that we will be actually acquiring it and bartering it with the electric vehicles, which for South America. And that way, I think we will be able to really delight, everyone with agility. And most importantly, I think all the governments which are in trouble because of, variety of different conditions of war and COVID, etc. All the government's needs our help. So we will be helping the government out also in making everyone's life inflation free.
Yes, I totally agree with you 100%.
So I think with that wonderful news to the whole world, we can conclude the meeting. If you don't have anything else to add.
No, Doctor, thank you very much for your time, and your viewers, thank you very much for listening, and look forward to uniting forces and trying to see if we can change the world. That is what we're here for.
Thank you very much. We will do it, and I will conclude the meeting with the prayer, and we move forward.
Thank you. Thank you.
So shukran jazila for becoming part of this meeting, and please share this with everyone. Make sure that everyone becomes the owner of one share of SAMS TQLMA Club, which is $80, and they will be receiving a gift of 53 PGCs whole coin. Thank you very much. Shukran jazila. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.
That was.
So I'll conclude the meeting, Mr. Morales. Okay, thank you.
That was great. That was a great meeting. Thank you very much, Doctor. Thank you very much for joining this evening also with this great gentleman, Aaron Rosenberg, that is looking forward to speaking to you. So I have a feeling that we will be able to take that London gold off your table because he's interested in it. He doesn't understand why Elon Musk is selling it, but I told him that it's to help the humanitarian field of all the projects that we have. I didn't really go into detail, but I think he understood.
Correct. Wonderful. So looking forward to that meeting in the morning.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Oh, don't forget this audio. Please send it to me so I can send it to Raul. Okay.
Say it again.
Send me the audio that you recorded so I can send it to Raul.
Yeah. I will be sharing the recording, in about 10 minutes. Okay.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Okay. Thank you, Doctor. Have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.
Okay. God bless you.